This is the oil temperature indicator. It indicates the temperature of the hot oil in the transformer. These are the MCBs. MCB 3 is the power MCB or the incoming power. MCB 4 is the control MCB. MCB 1 is the MCB for the light within the panel. MCB 2 is the MCB for the heater in the panel. This is the door switch for the panel. Once the main door of the panel is opened, the light will come on just like it comes on in a refrigerator. This is the single phasing preventer. This is the control contactor. This C1 is contactor 1 and overload relay 1 for fan 1. C2 contactor 2 with overload relay for fan 2. C3 contactor 3 for fan 3 and overload relay. C4 contactor 4 for fan 4 and overload relay. This is the thermostat for the heater. We have set it at 15 degrees. When the temperature falls below 15 degrees, the heater will start. This is the heater. You can set this temperature as per your requirement. X1. This is the power terminal. Red, yellow, blue and neutral of the incoming power supply will be connected here. Fan 1, red, yellow, blue, earth. Fan 2, red, yellow, blue, earth. Fan 3, red, yellow, blue, earth. Fan 4, red, yellow, blue, earth. S1 is for the alarm, S2 is for tripping, S3 is for feedback. The customer can connect the alarm, trip and feedback here. This is the capillary for the oil temperature indicator. It is 10 meters in length. This is the temperature sensing bulb of the oil temperature indicator. This here is the temperature sensing bulb for the thermostat for the heater within the panel. This is the manual auto switch. Manual, off, auto. These are the switches for fan 1, fan 2, fan 3, fan 4. Now these switches are in off mode. Two bypasses the manual auto switch. This is fan number 1. Fan number 2. Fan number 3. Fan number 4. Number 1 is the manual mode. When you put fan number 1 on 1, it will run without any feedback from the OTI. Fan number 2, manual mode. Fan number 3, manual mode. Fan number 4, manual mode. Two is auto mode. That is, the panel will run the fans based on the input received from the oil temperature indicator. To on the fans, we need to keep them on 1. Fan 1 on 1, fan 2 on 1, fan 3 on 1, fan 4 on 1. When the temperature in the oil temperature indicator reaches 70 degrees, the fans will switch on automatically. When the temperature falls below 60 degrees, the fans will switch off. We are now increasing the temperature of the bulb of the oil temperature indicator. You will notice that the temperature in the oil temperature indicator is now slowly rising. The fans will switch on once the desired temperature is achieved. At 70 degrees, the fans have come on. Degrees, the fans have come on. Now we will reduce the temperature to 60 degrees. You can see the temperature is falling. Once it reaches 60 degrees, the fans will switch off. The fans have switched off at 60 degrees.